Like many manufacturers these days, wire harness producers face a similar challenge, a labor shortage, now and in the future. But there is a solution, a location where people are available, young, and want to work. It's Mexico. But Mexico alone is not enough. You need a base of operations and a partner with a 20-year track record of wire harness production in a cost-competitive location with an available workforce. Welcome to Entrada Group. Entrada Group offers wire harness manufacturers a powerful combination that other areas of Mexico cannot match. Our base of operations gives clients the freedom to focus on production, gain new customers, and grow their business. Are you ready to get started? Partner with Entrada Group today to unlock your company's true potential.